You search how to buy shares of Pure Health Holding PJSC, so this quick guide will show the basic steps. Pure Health is a UAE healthcare operator listed on ADX under the ticker PUREHEAL.DH. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PUREHEAL.DH to find the correct listing. Confirm the market shows ADX and the company name Pure Health Holding PJSC before you continue. Open the stock page to review basic company details and view the price chart. Make sure the company name, ADX market, and ticker match so you have located the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft CTA. Check the link in the description if you want to follow the same steps on eToro.